During that time, I'm going to be on the very end of the caboose. If you have an emergency or something, come find me. We'll take care of it. This is open seating once you board. You may move around while we're in motion. Careful going between the cars. The bridges move independently. So with the little ones or somebody with limited mobility, please assist them. You may stand around the edge like I'm doing now in this car. Please do not allow the children or the adults to climb up here. Also, don't sit, stand, or kneel in the center part of our seats. As with all the cars, it's kind of like a Kennywood ride, hands and head at all times. We have a lot of brush with thorns, and I'm not going to lie, it makes us giggle when we see somebody grab the thorn bush and jerk their hand back. Yeah. Here's Brown, our fireman. If you have any complaints for the noise or smoke, talk to him. Now, once we get to Piney Island, we're going to make a stop. Well, about 20 minutes, you guys can get off the train from the yellow car. Please wait till myself or another crew member's back there before you come down the steps. They're very steep and narrow. There's a caboose sitting there. It's called a castaway. You can come up to the engine, check out the engine, get pictures. Please do not go around that caboose. People spend good money to stay in it. River access will be right there near the engine. You'll see where that's at. So you can go play in the water. We don't charge extra if you fall in. Now once we get boarded and we start heading back to town, I'll come around and give you guys some history about this track. Basically, you're riding on the Greenbrier subdivision of the Chesapeake and Ohio Railroad. Been here since 1902. Center part of the depot where our semaphore and the bay window is original in 1902, but our passenger and our freight was added on prior to World War I. The track ran up till 78. Now down track today, you keep a lookout. We got some deer and their fawns, bald eagles. You might catch a glimpse of him. Some red-tailed hawks, maybe some turtles, and maybe some of our local wildlife for fishing today. And we're going to go through 3 mill towns. See if you can find them. On the way back, I'll be going around the train giving you guys some history, explaining to you about these different mill towns. Yes, there will be a quiz. It is multiple guests. That's the only way I make it to my meeting.
Started something. Now everybody's going to look at the caboose.
You do? Yeah. Are you sure about that?
I'm pretty sure.
Only one way to find out once you walk back there.
I'm not walking. Mom, good take.
Don't you have water?
Yeah.
You want it?
Stand up. You know, I thought about stuff down here, do a campsite down at the farm.
Oh, yeah.
Put maybe a couple down there, not no more than that. You don't need a whole bunch of stuff.
There's been a lot of them popping up here.
Yeah, I've noticed that. attack me. Oh, there's my water. Ooh, look at the swimming pool.
Great building. Still up there, I see it. The big green building.
That's a 1929 Pocahontas County. Old ties? Old ties? See, this is a private crossing. See, now you can tell it rained up here, the river's brown.
Yeah, that is photo.
Oh, you want to do the funny face? There's your funny face. Really clearing out a spot for a house up there, looks like. Got a nice level spot. There you go. That's funny, the main part of the river is brown. The side's clear. Because the river was brown and the side was clear. Now it's clearing up here. So it must be just that one section over there coming down off the mountain. bad.
In the wet covered packet. Looks like a good swimming hole, right? Yeah.
Nice spots up here. Wow, and wonderful.
Well, it was going up to there for me, and if I would have gone more, it was going up. I was holding on.
Pouring the coal to it. Look at that black smoke.
Joyce,